Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the loudspeaker ringer on the iPhone SE2. Before starting, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which are listed in the description. First, turn off the phone and undo the two bottom screws using a pentalobe screwdriver. Next, to remove the screen, begin by applying heat to loosen the adhesive. We are using a heating pad for this step. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the screen is sufficiently heated, place a suction cup near the bottom edge of the display. Gently lift the screen from the bottom to start separating from the front assembly. Next, use a plastic card pry tool to carefully separate and loosen the rubber gaskets around the frame. Gently work your way around the edges and avoid applying too much force when lifting the screen, as this could damage the internal flex cables. Open the screen to 90-degree angle from left to the right. Please note that the flex cables are still attached and be extra careful with them. Next, undo 4 screws to remove the LCD connector shield. Next, undo the battery, touch and LCD connectors from the logic board. Next, on the top right, undo 3 screws to remove the earpiece assembly shield. Next, disconnect the earpiece assembly connector from the logic board. And now you can feed the screen from the body. Next, remove the folded loudspeaker ringer from the body. First, pull the bracket near the charging port by undoing 3 screws. Next, disconnect the antenna plug. Next, disconnect the 3 connector plugs from the logic board, starting with the charging, speaker and wireless pad connectors from the logic board. Disconnecting plugs helps to free the bottom part of the logic board from the body. Next, eject the SIM tray. Next, undo the 3 screws holding the speaker. Next, gently pull the loudspeaker out of the body. Use a tweezer to slightly lift the logic board. Next, securely place the new loudspeaker in the body. Lift the logic board and gently slide the speaker. Ensure the placement and secure it by adding 3 screws. Next, secure the antenna plug. Next, secure the speaker, charging port and wireless pad plugs into the logic board. Next, secure the charging port bracket by adding 3 screws. Next, add the pre-cut water seal adhesive to the frame. Please note that this tape will not completely protect the device against any liquid. Next, gently align the front assembly with the body. Start by connecting the earpiece assembly plug and the LCD connector plug. Once they are securely in place, reconnect the battery plug safely to the logic board. Next, turn on the device for testing. And then secure the earpiece shield by adding 3 screws and the battery shield by adding 4 screws. Next, install the screen. Begin by aligning the top edge of the display with the body. Then gently press down to lock it in place. Work your way along the sides and bottom to snap the screen securely to the frame. Always apply even pressure along the edges to ensure proper seal. Finally, secure 2 bottom screws. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.